This new YouTube update is literally gonna change everything for you as a content creator, most especially as a new YouTuber who really don't know how things actually work here. So about 3 to 4 months ago, or if I'm not mistaken, 2 months ago, this particular update was launched, yes, by YouTube, but unfortunately most of us couldn't access it. The good news is that it's finally live, and right now in today's video I'm going to be sharing with us what this particular update is and how you can use it to your own advantage. The good thing is that one of my students currently started making use of this particular update on a new channel. You need to see the views. Like, this person has currently hit her first viral video, all as a result of implementing these features the right way. So try your best to make sure you pay attention as we delve straight into our YouTube studio as I show you this particular setting and how you can implement it on your channel. Okay, so with that much being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, before we head over straight into my YouTube studio, as I share with us this particular new update, or more like new setting, and how you can start implementing it, I want you to understand something. When it comes to getting views, watch hours, subscribers on YouTube here, you have to understand that your content plays a huge role. And you know, if you're scrolling on YouTube homepage, that is just like as you're scrolling on YouTube homepage and you find my video, I believe what made you click was my title and my thumbnail, right? That is exactly how it is for every single video here on YouTube. So what do you have to do as a YouTuber or as a content creator posting on any social media platform? You have to always pay attention to your thumbnail and your title, because they're literally the entrance to your video. Okay, yeah. So, and this particular update, one of the main purpose of this update is to help you to come up with a great title and thumbnail. Isn't this beautiful? I could remember as of sometimes last year when I was still struggling with knowing my audience, getting the views. I have always wished that YouTube can just for once release this particular update. That was when I was making use of the VDIQ app. Voila! Here we have it today, live on our YouTube studio. So without wasting much of your time, let's just delve straight into our YouTube studio. So for those of us who got that particular notification, who really don't understand what it's all about, we are going to be breaking them down in this video. Okay, now from the screen here, you can see this is directly my YouTube studio. So I'm going to head over straight to the news aspect, and you can see it. Test your titles and thumbnail. Use test results to learn what resonates most with your viewers. Yeah, so as a good YouTuber, the first thing you should do, maybe you get this kind of notification, is to go through it first of all to understand it fully, and I've been able to do that. So what we're going to do right now is to quickly delve straight into our YouTube studio to actually see it if it is live, and to also know how to implement it. So this is my YouTube studio right now, and I'm going to be clicking on one of my video here just for us to check out the setting first before I delve into how to actually use it the right way. Okay, now when you look closer to this my title here, you can see it. This is the title I used. YouTube paid me this in just 6 months. Below it, you can see it's AB, and that is A/B testing, which simply means you are now eligible to test up to 3 different titles. Oh my god, like, this update is so beautiful. Now, sometimes you might want to upload a video and you might be confused on the kind of title to use. Even me, as in fact, in this my era of posting content, I believe it's not just only me. Most of the YouTubers out there, one of the most difficult thing is to actually pick a title that is going to sit well with that video, that is going to make that video perform well. And now that YouTube has enabled this feature for us, what it simply means is that you can actually bring out 3 different titles. Then what YouTube is going to do, they're going to be testing it with viewers. Then the ones that then that particular title that is performing better is what they're going to finally leave on your video. Oh my god, I love this particular feature, and I've been using it lately on most of my videos. Yeah, So what do you have to do? I believe when you want to create your video, okay, let us quickly run through it to see if we can actually get it. So to actually check if this works, what we're going to do right now, we're going to try to upload a new video to see if it actually works, and I'll also show us how to actually make use of it. Okay, now the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and tap on this create button up there, and this upload videos icon is going to pop up. So go ahead and click on it. The next step is to select your files as usual. It will take you directly to your gallery. Then go ahead and select the particular video you want to use. Yeah, so this process just takes a little time. Before you know it, it has finished processing. Okay, and yes, it's going to finally bring you up to this place. Now if you look closely to the title box, you can see it, title required. What you just need to do is to fix in your title. Then if you look below it, you will see it, A/B testing. Now let's go ahead and click on the A/B testing to see how it actually looks like. You can see it boldly, test and compare your thumbnails and title. So if you look very well, you can see the first feature says title only, the second one is thumbnail only, then the last one is title and thumbnail. Whichever one you click on, you're going to see the necessary icon. Now let's click on the thumbnail only. You can see it, you're permitted to upload 3 different thumbnails. Then AI is going to finally give you the one that is performing best with your viewers, and the last one is title slash thumbnail. So as you're fixing this particular thumbnail match this title, then same thing goes to the second row and the last row. So that is that about the titling aspect. Now let's go back to that particular message we got on our YouTube studio. Okay, now from the message you can see it, you can now test your titles and thumbnail. So the same process, the same procedure you use in testing 3 different titles is also same way you can actually do. It's also same way with the thumbnail aspect. So gone are the days whereby you create close to 3 to 4 different thumbnails and you're wondering which one is going to perform best with my audience, which one is going to perform well. What you just need to do is to upload the 3 thumbnail at once. One of my recent students is actually making use of this feature and it's working so well. Like this particular thumbnail and title feature made her have her first viral video on a new channel. So this is to tell you that all these features, they actually work if and only if you make use of it the right way. Now let's head back to the YouTube studio where we are uploading the video. So what you can do right now is, since you have up to like 2 or 3 different title ID, what you just need to do is to click on the A/B testing, then display your title. Then after that, same thing you have to do, go over to your thumbnail aspect and upload up to 3 different thumbnail, and that is all. So from time to time, you're going to keep watching the growth. You're going to keep watching what the AI finally decide for your video, and that is also going to help you to be able to create your future thumbnails for your other video or for your upcoming videos. This feature is actually mind-blowing, and I think I'm the happiest person because this is literally going to help every new small YouTubers out there. So now the question is, I really don't know if it has been 100% enabled to every single channel out there. So if you're out there and maybe you didn't get this notification, what you just have to do is to head over straight into your YouTube studio, then go to your content aspect, click on a video and check, or you try uploading directly from your YouTube studio. And another thing is, if you're posting videos from your main YouTube app, you are likely, in fact, you are not going to see this feature. Okay, so what you can still do, upload your video directly from your main YouTube app, then come up here and fix the title and the thumbnail aspect. Is actually very, very easy, and this is mind-blowing. So I'm going to urge you to go ahead and try it out. Yes, and that is all about this new feature. Then if you have any question, or maybe you still need clarification on one part or the other, kindly do well to drop it on the comment section, because I'll be with you in the comments. So thank you so much for watching this particular video. And also there are some recent issues that are currently demonetizing people on YouTube. So as a YouTuber, I will advise you to go ahead and watch this particular video, because on this video I displayed some of the things you are meant to do right in order for you to be safe for YouTube monetization. Okay, and at the end of the day, I'll see you all in my next video. So thank you so much for watching. If you've not liked this video, please do well to like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share, okay, so that it can get to other creators out there. And as always, I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.